Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. A pretty quiet start to our morning so far, mostly cloudy skies out there and quiet conditions overall. We do see a little bit of precipitation out there this morning around the local area. Looking at our radar currently, you can see some shower activity off the coast and also up around the Dover area this morning. A few showers associated with the frontal boundary will push a little closer to our region over the next few hours, but it does look like we're going to see just a very slight chance of one of those occurring here at Wallops, as overall this frontal boundary will be fairly dry for our area. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see this front off to our west, and you do see Hurricane Idalia down making landfall just within the last hour down towards Fish Creek, Florida was where it came aboard this morning at 125 miles per hour. We will see the hurricane continue to move to the northeast and up the Georgia coastline as we go through the next few hours. Taking a look here at the radar, you can see that eye wall really coming inland pretty quickly this morning, moving off to the northeast and seeing some pretty bad conditions along the Florida Big Bend area this morning. Also some pretty bad tidal flooding along the Florida Gulf Coast this morning as well. But we will see that rain spread northward and make it close to our region, but we are not going to see really too much in the way of impacts here at Wallops, as we'll see here over the course of the next day or two as we look at our computer models and see what our forecast is going into Thursday. You'll see most of that rain staying south of our region. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see those clouds spreading northward, some of those associated with that front that we're seeing currently, and then some thicker clouds making their way up from the south in association with that hurricane making landfall this morning. We'll continue to see those clouds impact our region, keeping us mostly cloudy to overcast as we go through the day today and into the day on Thursday. Looking at our computer model simulation, you can see here those showers and thunderstorms mainly staying north of our region, and again, very slight chances of any kind of precipitation this morning for our area. It does look like we'll stay dry with only about a 20% chance of rainfall. Looking into the afternoon, looking at dry conditions continuing and into the evening hours tonight, and seeing that rain shield from Hurricane Idalia making it up to about the Virginia Beach area later this evening, and that's about as far as it'll make it as we go into the day on Thursday. You'll see here zoomed out with our NAM computer model, looking at the precipitation shield staying south around the Virginia Beach area. Could see some light rainfall across the Northampton County area as we go into the day on Thursday, but should see that rainfall staying south of our region through the day on Thursday. Looking ahead to Thursday evening, you can see that storm or the remnants of Idalia moving quickly off the mid-Atlantic coast by Thursday evening, and we'll see the rain come to an end across the Outer Banks by late Thursday night. And seeing those winds a little breezy for us as we're just on the northern edge of that storm as we go into the day on Thursday, but those winds should die off pretty quickly on Friday. And looking ahead to the weekend, looking at pretty nice conditions overall. Looking at the next few days here, but first looking at our current weather, just a broken deck of clouds at that 8,500 foot level. That's where most of our clouds are this morning, and seeing some serious cloudiness up around 25,000 feet as well. Winds out of the southwest at 7 knots, temperature at 78 degrees, and our relative humidity at 97%. We'll see the humidity levels drop as we go into the late afternoon hours as that front moves through the region. Winds will turn more northwesterly in direction, and we'll see temperatures max out at around 87 degrees today under mostly cloudy skies. Again, chance of precipitation pretty low this morning, only about a 20% chance of rain as we go through the noontime hour, and only about a 10% chance of a thunderstorm occurring. So we go into the day on Thursday, again, should be on that northern edge of any kind of rainfall from Hurricane Idalia, or the remnants of it as it moves up across the Carolinas tomorrow. We will see breezy conditions though, with those winds probably maxing out around 25 to possibly as high as 27, 28 knots. So looking at a decent chance of seeing a wind advisory as we go into the day tomorrow. Tomorrow night we'll see the clouds begin to decrease over the area as that storm quickly moves off the coast, and we see cooler conditions as well behind that. High of 76 expected on Thursday, low of 61 Thursday night. And for Friday, we'll see mostly sunny skies, just some slightly breezy conditions, and a daytime high of 77. That'll wrap it up for your Wallops operation forecast. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.